Hi, I'm Ben and I'm a full stack developer here at Gravitywell. Today, I'm going to be talking about headless CMSs and why they offer many advantages over traditional CMSs, especially when looking to deliver content over multiple devices, platforms or channels. I'm also going to be providing an overview of one headless CMS in particular called Sanity. But before diving into a comparison of headless CMSs and traditional CMSs, it's probably worth taking a step back and explaining what a CMS actually is and what it's used for. A CMS, or Content Management System, is an all-in-one software solution providing a set of tools allowing anyone to create, manage and publish digital content in the form of a website. CMSs are a great way for users and businesses to create content-rich sites such as blogs. They help streamline the development and management process for users with little to no programming experience by offering a number of features out the box. On the content side of things, they offer an intuitive editor that allows multiple people to publish text and images. This content is then displayed in a website, and with thousands of templates to select from, the user is able to choose a particular look and feel without knowing anything about design. The CMS can also handle things like version control, search engine optimization, and security, and they can be extended further with the use of third-party plugins. So those are the advantages of traditional CMSs, but what are the disadvantages? As I mentioned, they're fine for sites like blogs designed to be displayed on a website on a desktop. But more and more these days, creators are looking for new channels to distribute their content over. Those might be via apps on a myriad of mobile devices, kiosks, billboards, perhaps even as a skill on an Alexa smart speaker. And this is where traditional CMSs fall down. We say such systems are monolithic. They're one size fits all, where the content itself is tightly coupled to the presentation of that content, with the end product being HTML. This means delivering our content via many of the channels mentioned is simply not possible. We need a way to decouple the presentation layer from the content layer, or sever the head so that our data is agnostic to the way in which it's consumed. Enter the headless CMS. Here, the presentation layer, known as the head, has been decoupled from the content. Headless CMSs don't offer a way to present content themselves. Instead, they offer an API allowing it to be retrieved via network requests to an endpoint. This means developers can easily integrate a front-end framework of their choosing, interchanging parts of their stack without affecting the CMS. Now really, this means a headless CMS isn't really headless. It still has a head, or many heads in fact, but it isn't aware of them. And the data can be used to build many types of applications and be presented in many different ways. Other advantages of headless CMSs include faster editing experiences due to less resources being spent on rendering, easier scaling by enabling data to be sent to high-performance cloud hosting services, and enhanced security due to the smaller attack surfaces. One such headless CMS, Sanity, offers yet further enhancements over a regular headless CMS. Decoupling presentation from content is great, but many headless CMSs output rich text as HTML from their APIs. This is a good start, but it still means the content isn't structured in the most adaptable way. Sanity, however, treats all content as data. All rich text is returned from Sanity following their portable text specification, so it's easy to pass into different formats and utilize in different contexts. Sanity's API is also queryable using GraphQL, meaning developers can request exactly the information they need and no more. This is in contrast to a REST API, where multiple queries are often strung together with a lot of irrelevant data sometimes returned. If you're looking to build content-rich digital experiences using a headless CMS, then Sanity is a great choice. By treating content as data, it enables organizations to build optimal editing workflows, share content between systems, and ultimately increase their digital velocity. Thanks for listening to my 2-Minute Tuesday. If you'd like to hear more of these, then please subscribe below.